Soil pollution. Soil pollution is also known as land pollution. Soil pollution or land pollution can be defined as, again, altering the characteristics of soil. Decreasing its quality, decreasing its fertility. There are three main causes for soil pollution. One is the chemical fertilizers. Chemical fertilizers. In order to enrich the soil with nutrients, we add a variety of artificial manures, chemical fertilizers. You heard of NPK, urea. Such chemical fertilizers contain non-degradable chemical constituents. Many of them contain non-degradable chemical constituents. So such constituents can remain as a residue in the soil. And can continue to exert their influence for a long period of time. There is also a possibility of they may enter into food chains. So a residue in the soil of a harmful chemical constituent may be absorbed by a plant. It may not be used in the plant for any of its metabolic activity. From the plant, it may enter the primary consumer, secondary consumer, and so on. So there is a possibility that the residue may enter the food chain. The second main cause of soil pollution, apart from chemical fertilizers, is the use of pesticides. We use a variety of chemicals. To control pests. that destroy crops. They may be in the form of insecticides, chemicals used to destroy insects, rodenticides, chemicals used to destroy rodent pests like rat gerbils, fungicides to destroy the fungi, or even weedicides. These pesticides also contain, like fertilizers, they also contain non-degradable constituents. Non-degradable constituents. For example, they may contain salts of inorganic compounds like arsenic, a very poisonous chemical substance, or organochlorines, like for example DDT, or synthetic hormones, especially used for destroying weeds like 2,4-D, 2,4-dinitro. So such constituents are non-degradable, therefore again remain as a residue and may enter the food chain. The third source of soil pollutants are the municipal solid wastes. Municipal solid wastes containing a variety of items like paper, dust, plastic and various other substances. Some of them are degradable, some of them are non-degradable. So chemical fertilizers, pesticides and the items in municipal solid waste, what we use and throw, these are the main sources of soil pollution or land pollution.